Pini labangso quiz drawing and essay competition litum kibipon nangkok akemang bangala pulo ye ilitum kedam tang porut samela puson isipan isi events bipon lo stame ang bong malom gave the koklo hoklo se pini labangso kibipon pen litum abang putin ladak hamren along school authority la pen den pan isya message kipikang tumbang la pulo ye ilitum non la during the winter season morning walk amen pen lang itum ada prang inting ikpen ki thurpen ki juitap kedam tab la son litum activities student man thaglong la sila pusona ba activities bang kelitum pena bang litum thek monong le denang pol la through la bang so media pas litum school authority ban pachini pon lo yong litum thek monong lok la ka prek activities ka hinu thek lok pote la bang ke la so dak pen litum law and order la pen school authority ban tan litum pachini pon ang kokpo la pen isi bang ke la pulo la morning walk la pen isi bangke alang litum la student atum school gedam hut jesamet mobile uniform chingthang dong pen school gedam silang litum lang bangso mobile che thapon thot pote school along kupi si mobile akenang sot kedolo la banganil tum accept se la banganil tum man tuneta kroy kre mobile school hem ke pon student tum la banganil tum kroy kre la si kaduk we phan same pachini lo la bangso hamren tan along kedo school humtin phan same la pen student doan phan same mobile ke ponlong lo pulo tel mobile ke ponlong sinang theglong lo pulo bang tel tum on the spot nak tum hanang khang cheki mobile endaji la pen so mobile ni tum joy ki pen pipe school authority phan hodai si school authority la pen KSA along with parents la bang support discuss si litum bang so mobile bang ke PG pipe samil tum decision NG la si adun thu chuning riang tung bang le carbing no mas council education ake hai Richard Tokbi alangli program school ong visit lo wafis same hamran district headquarter bang kelal di wang velang li tumar je thek ponong lelang lasi a problem ke isiver lo same karbing long school ke wafis same dap kana district headquarter po alangli phan wang nangji nang visit vek ni pusni tum karbilo chorli song hamran or pi pen tuning ripon lo